Tina Crystal, hi!
Hello!
Oh,
Magandang gabi po.
magandang gabi sila. Thank you for making time for us and singing for us at Edge of Glory. Huh?
Yes.
Oh. Okay. Crystal, Hoy! Ano ba yan? Akala ko naman kung ano yung narinig ko. Ano ba? Halika na nga dito. Ito naman eh. Interview natin si Crystal.
Kuya.
Huwag ka nang akit baba.
Kuya, bababa na lang ako.
Huwag ka nang bumaba. Okay na yan eh. Ako na lang gusto ko nga bumaba rin. Kaya lang, di pwede.
Ako pwede.
Huwag na. Huwag na pwede. Anyway,
Yeah.
Crystal, huwag mo na babaya na rin. Akit babayan sigurado. Crystal, okay.
Ano bakit ba dito? Teka.
Sino? Are you part of a, your solo performer? Are you with any recording company now? Or?
For now po, I'm a freelance. Nag-freelance pa po ako. And nagigig po ako every Saturday, City State Tower.
Oh!
How old are you, Crystal, by the way?
15.
Wow! At
15!
ang dami-nami niya.
That's about 15. Okay naman yun.
Pero nakagusto ko pa naman, how did you know that you had a talent?
Nung 8 years old ako, na-discover po kasi ng mama ko. Kasi before, nung pumunta po kami sa Rojas, di ba po uso po yung kantahan doon, yung jam. Umiiyak po ako noon kasi gusto ko po kumanta. And now, ngayon po, sila naman po yung umiiyak sa akin para kumanta ako.
Wow! That's very good. That's very good.
Okay. Well, we wish you all the luck and I'm hoping that you will be 18 soon. I mean, I'm hoping that you will have your recording soon, very, very soon.
Of course, we are open naman, diba? For anyone who wants to, of course, get Crystal, how can they get in touch with you? Do you have like a fake fan? Doon na naman tayo, diba? The fan page or the fan page?
Yes, just follow me on Twitter, Chris Atanan, and then bibigay ko na lang po sa inyo yung contact number.
Yes, sure. Do you have a manager ready?
Yes.
Kala ko naman gusto mag-manage naman sila. Okay.
Pwede. Crystal Ateneo, Penthouse Party, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, thank
Now
you.
we go to our friend who came over here to invite us to an event upcoming. And we're just very happy that he's with us tonight. JR Rosales. JR, magandang gabi sa'yo.
Magandang gabi, classmate.
Classmate.
And also, Diana, magandang gabi. Inaayaan ko kayong lahat sa event na in-organize ko on October 27 and 28. Ito po ay isang First Asia Pacific Events 2012. Bakit First Asia Pacific Event 2012? Bakit wala siyang title? No? Kasi 5 event yung napakaloob niya.
5 in 1?
5 in 1.
Wow, galing ha?
So there's an open photo shoot competition to all photographers nationwide na pwedeng sumali. Yung photo hobbyists, professionals,
Everyone who's a photo enthusiast can join.
Yes.
Alright, what else do we have?
We have cars and bike show. Kung sino yung bike enthusiast, cars enthusiast, meron po tayong car show on October 28. Tsaka we have tattoo competition. And then also we have a concert and fashion show. And there's a fun run event.
Wow! Okay, I heard that.
Ilan K?
5K.
5K?
Yes.
Oh, yun.
Is that gonna be-
Ano yung premyo o ano? Hindi,
We have
tatakbuhan.
previous enough for our cash prize.
Oh, good. And let's introduce your models naman before anything, di ba? Let's have, kasi ito mga above 15, di ba? Above 15, name and age.
I'm Aya Sarmiento, 23.
Ayun na siya may nangyayari, by the way. And you?
I'm Stacy, 20.
20, hindi mo pwede. Hindi mo tawag yan.
Hi, I'm JC and I'm 24.
24! Oh, di ba? They will be participating as your...
Yes, sila ay isang, hindi po sila model. Model po sila ng participating photographers ng contest. Ngayon, marami pa pong models. 200 models po and 200 photographers. So, doon po sa Calabarzon, yung Rizal, Cavite, Laguna,
What's the
Quezon,
date?
and yung isa Batangas.
So where they can get in touch with you, or where is the website? Do you have anything up already?
Yes, we have a website. For more details, pwede po kayo mag-log on sa www.o-ninternational.com, at saka pwede kayo tumawag sa Secretariat Office 385-7652 and then 392-3565.
Alright,
Okay,
thank you very much.
Thank you. That's gonna be on October 27, am I right?
Yes, October 27, but the photo shoot 1 month ahead.
And then they get to visit your website already. No? Thank you.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, Cristel. Thank you very much for your performance also. Now from the from models to a model platoon.
Yes,
Yeah,
sure, we have
yes,
here.
yun.
Of course, yeah. Diba? Maging seryoso naman tayo ng konti.
Oh, ito excited din ako sa number na to kasi talaga ito magaling to.
Oh, kasi from football naman, pupunta naman sila sa music.
Yes.
So I'll give it up to you, and let's intro our next guest.
All right.
Okay.
They are the men in uniform, and tonight it's their turn to give us some head bobbing music. We are very proud to give you the Philippine Marine Corps.